I'm going to show you how to maximize the freshness of your bananas with just a few tips on how to store them. By using these tips, your bananas will last a lot longer, and who doesn't want that? You most likely already have Ziploc bags and plastic wrap. The banana hangers are more rare and sometimes not as easy to find. Anything that can hold your bananas off the ground works, but if you're set on getting one, you might have to check out some specialty stores. You should always wrap banana stems with plastic wrap. The reason for this is to slow down the release of ethylene gas from the stems. Bananas get riper the more ethylene gas that's released. Once the stems are wrapped, it's a good idea to store them with a banana hanger. It's worthwhile to invest in a banana hanger as it minimizes your bananas from developing bruises. If you have a partially eaten banana, make sure to wrap it entirely in plastic wrap and then store it in the fridge. It's still best to eat it as quickly as possible since it'll go bad fairly quickly. Store your bananas in room temperature if your bananas aren't as ripe as you want them to be. They won't be as sweet as they could be if you store them in a cold temperature environment. Store your bananas in the fridge if your bananas are too ripe. It's best to keep them in your produce drawer. I like to keep mine in large Ziploc bags to keep them nice and tidy. There's no need to throw away bananas that turn brown and black. All you have to do is peel them, put them in a freezer bag, and then just freeze them. This will extend the life of the bananas by a few months, and they come in handy if you're into making smoothies. It's a good idea to store them as slices so you can pop them quickly into your blender. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you think below. See you next time.